Hello there and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through the best way to quickly and easily change your Automatic1111 UI from the default light mode to dark mode. After doing this, dark mode will be automatically applied to the Automatic1111 UI every time you launch it. I'll also leave a couple of tips at the end of this video to enable temporary dark mode. I'll be doing all of this locally on my Windows 11 PC. So let's crack on. We're going to add an argument command to the web UI user.bat file. Navigate to your Stable Diffusion web UI folder. Scroll down to find the web UI user.bat file. Right click on this file and select Open in Notepad. Directly after the set command line args equals, type in -- theme, then a space, then dark. That's it. Easy. Save the file. Once you've updated your web UI user.bat file, open your Automatic1111 UI and you'll see the dark mode automatically applied. If you take a look in your browser's address bar, you can see the dark theme syntax that gets appended to the end of your URL. If you're running the default light theme and just wanted to temporarily run dark mode, then you can always just append this syntax to the end of the URL in your address bar. Easy. If you find this video useful, then it would be fantastic if you could show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Thank you very much. Anyway, that's it. Now you know how to easily and quickly change the Automatic1111 UI to dark mode automatically every time you launch it. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful and I'll catch you in the next one.